Kumusta ulit kayo mga bata? Ngayon, pag-aralan naman natin ang tungkol sa multiply and divide by powers of 10. Bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag muna kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe. So, paano nga ba ang mag-multiply at mag-divide by the powers of 10? Let us study the following example. Find 7 times 0.1. So, let us see. Rewrite 7. And then, let us now express the decimal 0.1 into fraction. The 0.1 is equal to 1 over 10. Let us now simplify. So, that will become 7 times 1 is 7. Then, copy 10. So, the answer is 0.7. Let us now compare. 7 times 0.1 is 0.7. By using the method in expressing the decimal into fraction. So let us now study the second example. Find 32 times 0.01. So 32, all you have to do is to write 32. And then 0.01 is equal to 1 over 100. Remember, there are two decimal places right after the point, which is 0 and 1. So that is equivalent to 100. So that's why it becomes 1 over 100. So therefore, 32 over 100, and that is 0.32. As you can see, the whole number 32 multiplied by 0.01. So all you have to do is move the decimal point to the left of the whole number 32. So that will become 0.32. Next example, find 1,860 times 0.001. So that is, rewrite 1,860 times. So that is equivalent to 1 over 1,000. Remember, there are 3 decimal places. So that is equivalent to 1,000. And then, let us multiply 1 times 1,860 and copy the denominator, which is 1,000. So therefore, that is equal to 1.86. Remember that you will just move the whole number to the left, or you will just move the decimal places to the left. That is 1, 2, 3. 3 because there are 3 zeros, or there are 3 decimal places based on the given. So the answer is 1.86. As you can see in this problem, number 1, what is 1/10 of 7? So the answer is 0.7. Another here is, what is 1/100 of 32? So that is 0.32. And what is 1,000th of 1,860? So that is 1.86. Let us now proceed to the next example. 12.5 times 0.1. In order to get 1.25, first is you have to express the answer, the 0.1 into 1 over 10. That will become 12.5 times 1 over 10 is equal to, let us multiply, 12.5 times 1, that is 12.5 over 10. So therefore, that's equal to 1.25. If you will try to analyze, it is just a movement of the decimal point going to the left, based on the number of zeros on the denominator. Since the 10 has only 1 0, so the movement of the decimal point will be just on moving to the left, so that will become 1.25. It is also known as, what is 1/10 of 12.5? Multiplying by 0.1 is the same as dividing by 10. Multiplying by 0.01 is the same as dividing by 100. Multiplying by 0.001 is the same as dividing by 1,000. And multiplying by 0.0001 is the same as dividing by 10,000. What happens if we divide by 0.1, 0.01, 0.001? Let us find 9 divided by 0.1. This is what you call the shortcut method. So 0.1 is written as 1 over 10. So therefore, that will become 9 divided by 1 over 10. So that is equal to 10 over 1. Remember the rules in the dividing fractions, that in order to get the answer, you have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So that will become 9 times 10 over 1. The reciprocal of 1 over 10 is 10 over 1. So therefore, the answer is just 90, because 9 times 10 is 90 divided by 1. So the answer is 90. It is also asked question as, how many tens in 9? Next example is 5 divided by 0.01. So 0.01 is also written as 1 over 100. In order to get the answer, all you have to do is to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So that is equal to 100 over 1. So simply, let us now multiply 5 times 1,000. So that is equal to 500. This problem is also in the form of question as, how many hundreds in 5? Let us now proceed to the next example. That is 32 divided by 0.001. So let us now rewrite. It is written as 32, and 0.001 is written as 1 over 1,000. 32 divided by 1 over 1,000. To solve this one, let us find the reciprocal of 1 over 1,000, so that will become 1,000 over 1, and the operation will be multiplication. So 32 times 1,000 divided by 1, so the answer is 32,000. It is also in the form of question of, how many thousands in 32? Multiplying by 0.1 is the same as dividing by 10. Multiplying by 0.01 is the same as dividing by 100. Multiplying by 0.001 is the same as dividing by 1,000. Multiplying by 0.0001 is the same as dividing by 10,000. Dividing by 0.1 is the same as multiplying by 10. Dividing by 0.01 is the same as multiplying by 100. Dividing by 0.001 is the same as multiplying by 1,000. Dividing by 0.0001 is the same as multiplying by 10,000. All you have to do now is to practice in answering the following questions by 10. All you have to do is to multiply and divide by 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and so on. After that, you have to check your solution based from the answers given. Check your answers based from the answers given. If you got it right, it's good for you. If you got it wrong, study hard. So that's all. Thank you and goodbye.